We just chilling. Alright guys, welcome to yet another video. Today we are in the Megabikes cave with Ross, the salesman, Jack, my mate, and we go to unboxing the 2025
Monkey Bike
2025 Fireblade SP. So let's do this.
Waited a couple of months for this anyway.
You haven't seen it yet, have you?
Woo! She's a beauty. Alright, so we have a screw gun or something, or this looks sick.
So it looks like this comes off.
In the meantime, when they try to figure out which way to undo the pallet, I'm just so flipping excited.
So this is going to be a learning experience for all of us.
Yeah, we're all learning. All right, back in a sec.
I'm here, so if something happened, I'm responsible. Put it this way, yeah? Looks sick, isn't it? That's different tire.
It's cool. Yeah, I know this. I like this. I really like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stylemas, yeah.
One thing, I'm not to talk shit about Lukey's bike or anything like that, but same with one of our friends got an SP as well, and I'm surprised Honda don't do this, and neither do Yamaha. You don't get braided lines.
I don't know why it's that. I don't understand this, but as far as I know, whoever ridden this bike, they said they never lacking the braking power on the road, but on the track, and that's supposed to be kind of track bike, for sure that's supposed to
But
be.
I'm surprised you get the Brembo Master, I think they're called Stylemas.
This looks sick. Guys, I'm in glasses because I had eye surgery and I didn't look good, so I'd rather be in the glasses. This looks sick. This is my brand new Grom.
I really like the exhaust. I know you hate it. I know Lukey's got something up his sleeve, but I really like that.
No.
Huge, but it's like, it's not like Hayabusa big, but it's just, oh look, you get a little box of goodies as well, Lukey.
Yeah, I think in the box there is a screen.
Well, they're fucking better.
There is for sure there's a screen. Oh my God.
Yeah, there's a screen.
A screen, yeah. Screen and
Your manuals.
manuals and whatever the fuck. Ah, keys. Because that's that's a key fob. It's only this has to be respray now because that silver needs to go on. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my brand new 2025 Honda Grom SP. What do you think?
I genuinely really like it, honestly. It kind of makes me now, like I know I've got my R1 and my R1, like I genuinely love my R1 to bits. Honestly, it is a dream bike of mine to have the matte grey and gloss black, or matte black and gloss black R1. Love it to bits. There's one bike Ross has mentioned to me the last time we were here that they're coming into stock. And he said when it comes in, it shouldn't be any issue for me to test ride it. I don't want to spoil it, but I will hopefully get a test ride on this.
We definitely gonna be riding them bike. Definitely. I stand on this side, so. And then the bottom one.
Just on the bottom then, what you have.
Yeah. No, I have it. Yep. One part done. Fuck it.
All those years of playing with Meccano.
Yeah.
Now Ross, I can confirm there's no scratches on this, so if Lukey accidentally drags a bar across it.
It wasn't us.
We already have a debate about the exhaust, so we want to hear what's your thoughts about it, but when you finish with the impact.
The Ugga Dugga.
Do.
Probably big as us. And you get 10 mils.
They'll come in handy.
Yeah.
Can you hold the front?
Yeah, I got it.
I know.
You have it, yeah?
Yeah. Just in case, but that's.
Just watch your quad.
Yeah, no, I have it.
Oh, that back corner.
Oh, because this has to go.
It's stuck, no, it's stuck in the triple tray.
Okay, yep, that's it.
You'd swear we've done this before.
Listen, we definitely done this in a different life.
We've been here for the last 3 hours.
We was the racers.
A racist?
Racers.
You got it, Lukey?
Yeah, I have it, somehow. If this falling off right now.
Hey, Ross.
Oh yeah, because that's the balls for, yeah. Well, we're going to take them today anyway, because they go for respray.
Oh yeah, your wrist sets, yeah.
That's it? Anything left? No? So then we have to just push the bike forward, isn't it?
It's on a little hill. I would say go.
I'd say go forward. You've more clearance.
Wait, the brakes aren't stuck on, is it?
No.
No. No, something's not right. There is a.
Hang on a sec. You hold the bike.
Yeah.
It's got to go up.
Oh, I know what it was. You want me to tell you? I was holding brakes all the time.
Grab it here. Grab for the rear set.
Yeah, I grab for the rear set. Hold on. Yeah, and then yeah, just go. Yeah, we have it. Get a foot leg, foot peg, foot stand. Put it in the middle there.
There, that's the middle.
The stand is there.
Yeah.
Okay. So there she is, guys. 2025 CBR Fireblade RR-R SP. Quick one for you, because he already say he loved that exhaust. Would you prefer this or SC Project?
Depends. It depends what SC project. I'm a big fan of Akrapovic.
Okay.
I think sound, quality, everything is pretty amazing. So I don't know. It's a personal preference. That's the nice thing about bikes. But yeah.
You see, for me, from this angle, when I see them bikes from this shot, like the back shot, I really love this exhaust, the triangle thing. But that bracket is annoying as fuck. I see so many bikes without this bracket with the short SC Project. That's what I actually bought. So then, because this is clean and this, it's gone on the first day because I already have a tail tidy.
Tail tidy is most important.
I already have one.
Well, you can remove the passenger pegs. You can probably get a bracket, but I'm not a huge fan of the shorty pipes.
Okay.
I quite like that, but.
Okay, so I'm fucking different. We won't start this because it's no petrol, no oil, or?
No, there's no petrol, the battery's not connected, nothing. So they do have obviously oil and everything in them, but.
Okay, so all we can do is just nothing right now, we just unbox.
All you can do is look at it now. It is going to go into the workshop and get its PDI, get prepped and everything like that. But,
God damn, let me just sit on it at least. And that's the thing, it's just, it still feels like a 600. It's small one for my height.
Yeah, it's perfect.
You know, like I was sitting on a Hugo's S1000 RR, and I'm sitting with a tippy toeing all the way, which is annoying.
I much prefer.
Those, can they, when they do this, because I think they are very low, you think they, or that's the way?
We can see what adjustments can be made. So we get it all prepped and have it running and everything. And then we get you to come in and we'll see if we can set it up to suit you.
Perfect, perfect.
Really like, just because I know the R1 has the same thing, the one sticker on the side.
You want to sit on it? Jack, I fucking love it.
I'll be selling the second one now.
That's the second one? You selling it?
Oh no, I'll be selling him one now.
No, he's a Yamaha fan.
I'm down for. I've seen it. So that's what I was saying to the camera when you're. It's not low, but it's much. Maybe because there's no screen, but even that though, like the screen just be. The screen flick up, or is it just?
Well, that's the thing. The screen, it's just there, but the screen from this original is really tiny. That's why this time, you remember when we put when I buy the screen in the Megabikes from Puke, isn't it? That was a Puke screen. I go for the Z-Racer, which on this one, I definitely go for the bigger one, the normal one, the higher one, because the difference right now is 45 mil, and this is tiny.
But that's tiny.
It's tiny, that's why I go for the big one.
But it's not so much as tiny. Yeah, exactly. Like, it's not so much as it's small. It's the fact that it's so it's so low.
Everyone said that when I'm watching the reviews on this bike. This is crazy. And guys, just to be clear, if you ever want something in life, just work for it. You have to surround yourself with the people like Jack, he always there for me, help me with everything. Like Ross, he always take my money. Doesn't matter how many times I'm going to the shop, he always takes my money. But I have to say the Megabikes, the best shop in Ireland, best people in Ireland for selling stuff, and they always help me with everything. So if you're scouting for the new bike, parts, service, gear,
anything,
Megabikes is the place to go. So I think that's it. That was just a quick unboxing. Thanks very much for everything, guys. Thanks for being here. Bro, thank you.
No problem.
Didn't happen without you. And put it this way, I come over to the Megabikes just looking for the Honda ground. This guy told me, if you spend a little bit extra, I get you something special. And that's where we end up. So be careful.
Slightly more expensive than a Honda ground, but look, The happiness it brings is, and it's an unbelievable. Being the latest model as well, with all the upgraded suspension and everything.
That's the thing. I was fighting for the suspension, but I was more fighting of that split throttle bodies. Because like it's just so much easier to go on the bottom torque, and they reduce the gearing that is different and everything. Like he said, there is a guy here who bought the 2020 SP. 2020 SP, and the gearing down there, even the guy already uploaded the video. Nothing happened up to 10,000. Which like for the leader bike is just annoying.
It is, but like look, this is different. From everything to do with this bike, from top to bottom, it is just unbelievable.
Yeah, I fucking love it.
Finish on everything, the color combo with the gold Öhlins, everything about it.
I noticed as well, like the reservoir under here for the Öhlins is just like, it's loads of small details.
I need to take off the glasses because I didn't see, but I'm look like shit. So yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. We're gonna pick it up the bike probably Wednesday, Tuesday, something like this.
So the next video, I suppose, will be you sitting on it and
drive off. I bring my 600 to the shop and I drive off this one. So
and hopefully we get some good weather for the day collection.
Well, I'm collecting only the better weather.
Yeah.
What tires on it? A Corsa?
Super Corsas, yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos to come. And remember, the best shop in Ireland for bikes, Megabikes. Peace. I was thinking to put the Grom here. And then we put it up and I'm like, the fuck is this?